guys, how is the what the? How's the backrooms here? Oh my god. Okay, we know why there are backrooms. Oh my OMG. Why is there backrooms? Thank you. But this match is so big. Wow. OMG. Oh, that's. But where's the exit? OMG. This is so hard, mapper. Oh no. Oh, that's a map of backrooms. That's not the exit. There's not a exit. Yeah. There's no exit here. That's out again. But guys, I joined it, but yeah, I joined, but guys, what the heck is there? Backrooms. But guys, there's nothing here. But guys, thank you. And we need this? No way, we cannot need this. Why can we not need it? Oh, there's a double hours. Oh no. What I can now do? There was not exit. Huh? Where? Oh, there's another maze here. Wow, this maze is big. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, we should not that all. Ah, wow. That's very useful to us. Okay, guys, we'll trust you. Once, yeah, I did. Ah, that's cheating. Oh no. Oh my god. OMG. This map is so big. Hey, let me go. Wow. This map is so big. Why is there a triangle shape over here? What? Thanks for watching.